Hi, I'm Bradley Sliedrecht with Fenter Cranes. In our last videos, we looked at inspections and crane duty classes. Today, we're focusing on two of the most critical inspection items on any crane, the wire rope and the hook. If these fail, the entire crane is out of service and the results can be catastrophic. The wire rope is the workhorse of your hoist, and the hook is the final connection to the load. A small defect left unchecked can lead to a drop load or sudden failure. And that's why CSA B167, ASME B30.9 and B30.10 and Saskatchewan OH&S all require regular documented inspections of these components. So when inspecting wire rope, here's some things to look for. Broken wires, right, that exceed limits per lay length. Bird caging or kinking, so permanent deformation means immediate removal. Corrosion and rust, this weakens the strands internally. Flattening or crushing, usually caused by overloading or spooling issues. Heat damage or discoloration, especially dangerous in foundry or welding environments. Remember, once a rope shows defects beyond allowable criteria, it must be replaced, not repaired. DMAG and Caesar ropes both stress never to switch lay direction when replacing rope, right? Since drums and sheaves wear in with the original rope type. So also note this, by the way, DMAG hoists are sometimes designed with the opposite lay rope compared to what you may be used to. At first glance, it may look wrong and you might be tempted to swap it out thinking the wrong rope was installed, right? But that's not always the case. Always check the manufacturer's manual for the correct rope lay, or consult a company that specializes in overhead cranes, right? We had situations where a third-party engineering firm once told one of our clients that we had installed the incorrect rope because to them the rope appeared to be the wrong lay. The problem? The OEM manual actually specified the rope we installed. If that recommendation had been followed, the hoist would have been running outside of manufacturer's requirements, right? And this comes with serious legal and safety consequences if something goes wrong. Because we specialize in cranes, we caught the error before anyone got hurt. Here's the key point. An engineering stamp does not override the manufacturer's specifications. If someone is injured using a rope the OEM does not recommend, there can be liability and legal consequences. Always verify against the hoist manual or confirm with a qualified overhead crane service provider before making changes. The CSA B167-16 standard, Annex G, lays out the visual inspection and rejection criteria for wire rope. And we'll walk through those requirements step by step in another video, so your operators or trained staff performing frequent inspections will know exactly what to do. Right? You can find Annex G in the download version. You'll find it on page 63. So hooks. Hooks also require careful checks. Cracks or gouges anywhere on the body, excessive wear at the saddle, throat opening beyond 5% of original size, right? ASME B30.10 gives you this criteria. Twisting or bending, even slight deformation can weaken capacity. Latch function, the safety latch must close fully and open and hold securely, right? If you see any of these, the hook should be removed from service. So what do you need to know as a customer, right? So you need to ensure the wire rope and hooks are checked daily by operators. Have frequent inspections done by trained technicians. Keep a record. Saskatchewan OH&S requires inspection documentation for all lifting equipment. And most importantly, if in doubt, take it out of service until inspected by a qualified person. So in closing here, at Fenter Cranes we specialize in keeping your hoist safe with thorough rope and hook inspections, OEM parts and replacements when needed. Remember, all our training and information videos are also available on our YouTube channel, right, Fenter Cranes. So you can review them anytime and share them with your team. So follow this page for more crane safety and maintenance insights. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.